Hello and welcome to this training video. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a new list in Aweber. It's an easy process. Just a matter of knowing where to create them and fill in the necessary information. Real basic stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here is where I'm going to start with you. When you are in your Aweber account, you can see the Manage Lists button on the top menu bar, right beside the Current List box. Click on the Manage Lists button. When it's done, you can see a green button at the right side of the page. This is the button to create a list. You just click on this Create a List button. And then you'll see this page, titled Tell Us About Yourself. In this page, some information may be auto-filled by Aweber if you've already completed the basic configurations in your list settings. If you have yet to fill them in, fill in the necessary information now and move on to the next step. Once you're in this page, give your list a name and the brief description of the emails your subscribers are going to receive. In this case, I'm going to use I am how-to list as my test list. And for the description box, I'm going to type in I am how-to tutorials. Then, click on the Next Step button. It will bring you to this page, where you will approve your confirmation message. Click on the drop-down menu under Choose a Pre-Approved Subject and click on the second option, which is Response Required. Please confirm your request for information. Leave the others at default, scroll down to the bottom and click on the green button to approve message and create list. There you go with your new list. Once you've done this, you can start collecting your new leads. Thanks for watching this video.